Yeah, now it's good. So, hi everyone. It's been so long since I've posted anything on my channel, and probably this is the first time कि मैं ऐसे कुछ impromptu types video डाल रही हूँ, like because I just felt कि now somewhere I can call myself a YouTuber. Yes, I can because I like making videos, and why not? Simply why not? So yeah, it's been almost a month, and the last month was so terrific, like terrific in like, oh, like everything. So what happened? Yes, dengue happened. For like for Bangaloreans, June was like on high alert, red alert, dengue alert. There were so many people who were getting affected by it, including me. Like फोर्थ को मैंने वीडियो अपलोड किया, फोर्थ इवनिंग से आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड फीलिंग अ बिट डाउन, लाइक अनईजी, लाइक everything was making me nauseous, simple way में. तो I just slept बहुत जल्दी उस दिन, and next morning like fifth को I could barely wake up. Even it was 11, it was 11:30 like in the morning, and I was like मुझसे तो उठा ही नहीं जा रहा है, and I just felt that something was wrong. Fifth, basically, yeah, fourth midnight say 8, I was having this on off fever, like 101, 102, but मुझे लगा कि it's like a viral fever, so डोलो जिंदाबाद. But 8 के past midnight it just went beyond, like 102. I was somewhere around 103, and I just knew कि अब तो गड़बड़ है कुछ, because viral होता है तो 4 दिन में it's very fact कि चला जाता. So yeah, 9th I got admitted in hospital. God. So you know that like people, हम लोगों को इतना, everyone is like so motivating कि you have to hustle, you have to do this, you have to do that, conquer the world and everything. You know what? बचपन में वो जो सिखाया जाता है ना कि health is wealth. 3 दिन हॉस्पिटल में बेड पर पड़े पड़े I just like real sense में I just understood the meaning of this, 3 magical words. Health is wealth. So anyways, jokes apart, and I may be like a bit speaking, because probably this is the very first time I'm speaking anything, like this, but I just felt like why not? Simple, because who cares? I got discharged on 11th, and मेरे कुछ relatives यहाँ रहते हैं, so I went to their home. I was there. फिर मैं घर चली गई, and after and today I'm here. Like it's been 2 days since I'm back in the city, and 10-12 दिन घर रहने के बाद it feels like maybe I'm back mentally, like rejuvenated. So it's been a very terrific month for me, and there were people मुझे messages कर रहे थे कि क्या हुआ, videos क्यों नहीं बन रहे हैं and everything. So I was like, yeah, I'll talk about it, and yeah, so I'm talking about it. So this was like the whole of month, because मैंने वो 28 days challenge लिया था shorts पर, तो I started uploading it, then वो रुका, again I started uploading it, और फिर वो इतने लंबे period के लिए रुका. So now I just felt कि उसको अच्छे से I will explain. So yeah, घर गई, and oh my god, कितनी गर्मी है. थी हाँ, because I landed there on 18th and you can see my face, I got all these in just a period of 10 to 12 days. Oh my god, people living in Bangalore, we guys should really feel lucky about it. मौसम तो अच्छा है भाई, बहुत अच्छा है. सो या 10 दिन बैठे बैठे आई जस्ट थॉट कि मैं कुछ रील्स डाल देती हूँ एंड एवरीथिंग, बट फिर मुझे लगा नॉट हैपनिंग. सो आई रेड लाइक मैं बुक्स नहीं पढ़ पाती थी पहले, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. लाइक शुरू करती थी एंड बीच में रुक गई, लाइक नहीं हो पाता था कंटिन्यू. बट अभी मैंने सोचा था कि अब तो कर लेंगे, लाइक वाई नॉट, सिंपल. सो आई जस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई. लाइक मुझे करना है. लाइक बहुत लोगों का वीडियोस देखा होगा एंड एवरीथिंग. पीपल मस्ट बी लाइक दैट आपको जो पसंद है वो पढ़ो, बट मुझे एक्चुअली थोड़ा बिजनेस समझना है, मार्केटिंग, सेल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद दिस बुक, The One Page Marketing Plan by Alan Dibb, and trust me, it's really good. I don't know, मैंने ज़्यादा बुक्स नहीं पढ़ा एंड बट आई कैन रियली से दैट मैं हर जगह सिर्फ लाइक मार्क ही कर रही थी. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस कैन सी, बट या आई वाज जस्ट बीइंग लाइक important, very important. So for freshers, I can say, like me, who just want to understand business and everything, I think this book is a go. Like wow, it's really nice. I really feel it's really nice. मैंने कुछ लोगों के recommendations पढ़े थे कि ये अच्छी बुक है, and I just wanted something कि मुझे उतने high terms में भी अभी समझना है, but something in a very layman. It's very nicely written. So yeah. Then the next book that I read was this, Don't Sell, Make Them Buy. A very honest review. Like I got lost somewhere in between. I don't know I should talk like this or not, but yeah, like it's good. It's good if you are someone a very frequent reader and need every time you need a book in your hand, so you can read it. But I would like give a pass on this. So the next book that currently I'm reading is this, Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari. I guess. Yeah, Harari. Sorry. So this book, why? Like it has nothing to do with marketing and business, or maybe it has to do. बहुत बड़ी book है. Like probably my first book जिसमें almost 500 pages है. So how I got into this is actually a brief history, like of mankind. It's basically on evolution. Like मैं तो अभी 155th पेज में हूँ. Like here, can you see this? Yeah, अभी तो मैं इतना हूँ, अभी इतना बाकी है. So it's not even 50% for me to judge on this book, but अभी तक तो अच्छी लगी है. And why I actually started reading it, because there are very few people I follow, like really amongst them one of us like the great Palki Sharma Upadhyay. Like I really follow her, I really do. So उन्होंने एक्चुअली एक पॉडकास्ट किया था हाल फिलहाल में रणवीर अलाहाबादिया के साथ. एंड इन दैट पॉडकास्ट एक्चुअली रणवीर ने ये कहा दैट ही रेड दिस बुक एंड उनका परसेप्शन टुवर्ड्स लाइफ चेंज्ड. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके, इतना लाइक क्लेम अगर कर रहे हैं तो पढ़ के देखते हैं क्या है इसमें. सो अभी तक तो मुझे सिर्फ एवोल्यूशन ही मिला है, बट इट्स गुड बिकॉज स्कूल के टाइम पर भी आई यूज़ टू लाइक हिस्ट्री जोग्राफी, आई यूज़ टू लाइक दो सब्जेक्ट. सो बट आई एम प्रिटी श्योर बिकॉज बुक के लास्ट पार्ट आते आते इट्स मोर अबाउट लाइक मनी एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग योर सेल्फ एंड एवरीथिंग. सो अभी आई कैन नॉट टेल about it, but let's see, I'll talk about it in my next video because I'm quite liking it talking like this because I was quite nervous कि पता नहीं like without prepared, like I really like being prepared, to be honest. I'm someone who is कुछ है तो I'll just prepare myself, but then I thought कि YouTube पर है तो थोड़ा तो unprepared भी चलेगा. So yeah, so this was like what I read in this 1 month, and उसके बाद yeah, home everything. I think अभी तो मैं बीमारी types नहीं लग रही हूँ. I'm looking pretty fine. I even got haircut, a new haircut. Like 1.5 साल 1 साल में I usually get this look of mine जहाँ पर ये starting like so like the college look, because I really feel it's good, it's nice. Yeah. So this was it, like why I was not uploading and everything. I had a pretty rough time in June, but I think I can say in a very weird way घर जा पाई, जो बहुत ही रेजुमिनेटिंग था. इनफैक्ट मेरे रिलेटिव्स जो यहाँ हैं, आई रियली थैंक देम बिकॉज मेंटली मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट मिला, जिसके वजह से आई रिकवर्ड. या लाइक so yeah, like this was it. In fact, there's so much to do and I really will be consistent from now onwards on my channel because I really like doing this. I mean, I'll eventually get better. If there are people who like, you can use a mic, you can invest in this, you can invest in that, background thoda aur acha karo, and everything, it will happen, I know. So with this, I think I did pretty well in talking, and maybe I can just continue it. Yeah. So yeah, and I'll also continue with my short series because again वो रुक गया था, and I have जो शुरू किया है उसे ख़त्म तो करना पड़ेगा. So yes, so the long videos, the business case studies and everything, there's it lined up, and also the shorts, everything. So thank you for those people who just asked me like क्या हुआ है and everything. Thank you for your concern, and yeah, I hope to see you very soon in the next video. And yeah, I just forgot to shoot it in once, but you don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So yes, so this is my very first try into making, oh god, there's too much noise. Khair.